Yeah, geometrical meaning of zeros of a linear polynomial. Okay. First, linear polynomial I will take. What is linear polynomial? I will write general form of a linear polynomial. So y is equal to ax plus b. Okay. This is general form of a linear polynomial. A and b are constants. And one condition is there. This a should not be equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. See, this b can be 0, but this a should not be equal to 0. Okay. Now, this y is equal to ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. So, this is called a linear polynomial. Linear means power of x is 1. Here see x is there. Here nothing is there means 1 is there, power here. So, power is 1 here. So because of power 1, this is linear polynomial. Okay. So this is general form. I will take an example. So y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay. See, this is in the form of this. In place of a we have 2. In place of b we have 3. X same. Okay. I told another condition. A should not be equal to 0. In place of a what we have 2. See, this 2 is not equal to 0. Correct? Definitely 2 is different, 0 is different. So now this is in the form of this, and also this condition also satisfied. So now this is example for linear polynomial. Okay? Now you understood this part, linear polynomial. Now zeros of a linear polynomial. Zeros means what? For what value of x, y becomes 0. That x value is called 0. For example, here x is there, no? If you substitute a value for x, I mean, in place of x, if you substitute one constant, if you substitute a value like 2, 3 or something, when you substitute a value in place of x, and if you simplify this part, here this y should get 0. Okay, in place of y we should get 0. Okay, now for example, so in place of x, y is equal to, I will take as it is 2 as it is. So in place of x I will take minus 3 by 2. In place of x I have substituted this, then plus 3. Now you have to simplify this part. So y is equal to, right as it is. See, this 2 cancels. What is left? So minus 3 and this plus 3. Now next, y is equal to minus 3 plus 3 is what? 0. Okay. So we got 0, right? So y is equal to 0. So y became 0. So y is equal to 0 for what value of x? For x is equal to this. When x is equal to this minus 3 by 2, okay, we got y is equal to 0. Okay, this x value is there, no? In place of x I put, right, that is x is equal to this minus 3 by 2. Now this is the 0. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay. So 0 means for what value of x we get y is equal to 0. So this value of x, this minus 3 by 2 is 0. 0 of this polynomial. Okay. Now we understood what is linear polynomial, what is 0. Next to this one, geometrical meaning. Okay, so you understood the meaning of 0 theoretically. I mean, you understood the concept what is 0 here. So 0 is the value of x for which y is equal to 0. That you understood. Now same thing you have to understand geometrically. That is geometrical meaning. That means graphically. Geometrical understanding means graphical understanding. That means I will draw graph. So 0, this is x axis, this is y axis. See 1, 2, 3, 4. This side -1, -2, here -3. So numbers will continue till infinity, minus infinity. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. Dot 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 till infinity. Numbers will continue, and this is y axis. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, this is 4. Dot dot dot. That means numbers will continue till infinity. Okay. See, we are so in this video I'm just concentrating what is the meaning of 0 graphically. I am not going to explain how to graph this. Okay, that is a different concept, graphing of this. The topic in this video is this. Just we are going to understand what is 0 graphically. So I will directly draw a line. So when we graph this, we get line like this. This point is 0 comma 3 and this point is -3/2 comma 0. Okay, see, when you graph this, we get line like this. Okay, how to graph, that is different concept. I will make different video for that. Now we are just going to discuss what is 0 geometric graphically. That's all. I will explain what is 0 graphically now. So graphing is different concept. That will I will explain in a different video. You see here, you can see the graph now. So this is x-axis, right? This is x-axis. So I put x is here. Okay. You can see this line crossing. The line crossing this x-axis, crossing, or I can say intersecting. So this line is intersecting this x-axis where at this point here. See, at this point this line is crossing this x-axis, intersecting this point. Okay, so this point is there. No, this is called 0. Okay, 0 means, so this point, see here, see this point lies between -1 and -2. It lies between or exactly at the middle of this -1 and -2, and this see the x value here is -3/2. X value, this is 0, y is equal to 0. That means corresponding y value is 0. So this point is in the form of x comma y, this point. So that means x is equal to -3/2, y is equal to 0. That means this point, okay, here this -3/2 is there here, -3/2 here. So this is x is equal to -3/2. If you want y value, so corresponding y value means you have to go like this. If you check like this, here we have 0 is there. So y is equal to 0. Y, in place of y we have 0. Okay. So here in play on this x-axis we have -3/2. So x is equal to -3/2. Okay. Now this point represents 0. So 0 on the graph is the point where the line is crossing or intersecting the x-axis. And see, this and this called coordinates. This minus 3 by 2 is called x coordinate. This 0 is called y coordinate. You consider only x coordinate. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is the 0. Okay. So I explained what is 0 theoretically. Like for what value of x we get y is equal to 0. Okay. When you substitute some value for x, we get y is equal to 0. That x value is the 0. That is theoretical. Graphically means this. The point where the line or this polynomial crosses or intersects this x-axis. So at this point line is crossing here. So this point is called 0. So this I explained, right, graphically what is 0. So that's the meaning. So that's what geometrical meaning of zeros of a linear polynomial. Geometrical means what's the meaning of 0? So graphically. So this is the thing. That's all. So that's what the headline is. So through graph I have explained what is 0. So that is nothing but geometrical meaning of zeros of a linear polynomial. Yeah, I hope you understood. Anything if you want to say, please mention in the comment related to my teaching or related to the concept. So I will follow that comments. Okay. Thank you. Click on subscribe.